Cheesy Mario, cause I'm cheesy and I want you to feel like I move, because I'm cheesy all alone, and you feel that's what you want to do, because I'm cheesy all alone with you, huh? Is that a monkey? Dude, I gotta take a picture of this. Oh shoot, turn off flash mode and... No, I got my... Oh no, I scared the monkey. No, get back here, you monkey. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get... That's a wall. Get over here, monkey. Dave, let's play some tennis. Somebody say tennis. I want to play some tennis. Whoa! Nah! Wait, is that a monkey? Move out the way, man! Ah! And I'm gonna get me some monkey. Wait! Instant replay. Hole in one.
The bread I've been waiting for.
I'm gonna get that monkey. I wonder what monkey meat tastes like. Ugh. Gotta use my Call of Duty skin. Hey, there it goes. I didn't know it was a cave of an angry bear, huh? Are you trying to get the monkey too? You want to see what monkey meat tastes like? That's not really why. I just wanted to catch a monkey. You know how rare that is? Then let's get it. I think I see it up there. Wait. Is it? Wait. Oh, there it is. It's doing a dance move. I knew monkeys were that intelligent. Get over here. Ah! Go. It's gonna get away.
Yeah, it's gonna get away if you keep screaming.
Don't be shy. Get back here. That's it. We gotta take this to an extreme level. Wait, what are you doing? Oh, you know what time it is. I'm gonna hit it with a guitar. No, wait, think back. That's animal abuse. I don't care. I want monkey meat. Get back here, you know. Get back here. Get over here, boy. You're gonna be a good addition to my oven. Actually, I can mount you on the wall. No. Oh, now instead of dying, now it says din. It's not fair. I'm gonna get that monkey. Dang. This is Johnny still. Don't care. Woo! Hey, get back. Oh! That darn dog that needs to be neutered, he doesn't even know what the thing is to get animals' attention. You gotta be gentle with them. Here, little monkey, I have chestnuts. Wait, no, they don't like chestnuts. Come downstairs, I have fresh bananas. What's your name, little buddy?
My name is...
Yeah?
Bye-bye.
No! Get back here! Come on! Wait, he's going down to the kitchen. Don't worry, monkey. You like bread? Me too. Huh? Bro! I'm starting to get tired of this. I need a banana or something. I'm gonna use the kitchen. No, we can't feed it lasagna. No. No. There's nothing in the fridge. Who's there? I'm not afraid to use my stubby T-Rex arms. Oh. No? Huh? He's up there! What the heck is going on? What are you doing, man? That's not how you do it! Don't worry, I'll get it. That's it, monkey. I can fight you with my bare hands. Nah, yeah. Hey, oh. Right into my trap. Now I have the weapon. I'm coming to get you, boy. Huh? That doesn't make sense. If the puppeteer's right here. Hey! Get it back. Whoa! Yo! I'll get you. I'm gonna get it first. Oh, no, you don't. I'm gonna go get him first. Then make it. Oh. Bro, this again? Oh my God. Like, all right, you gotta know the technique. Ha! It's not even there anymore. I got you now. I got you where I want you. I got you now. Oh, get off my face. No. Wait, monkey, what are you doing?
I found him. Bye-bye.
Wait. Let me give the monkey. Bound the phone, not forget it. That's it. I'm done playing nice guy with the monkey. I'm gonna go get him. Help me. That sucks for him now. Wait! Huh? Shoot! No. Ow. Ow. I'm never gonna get my hands on the monkey. I need to figure out an idea of something. But what? It just keeps running away.
I'm a businessman. Hello, fellow sir.
You think I'm gonna believe a businessman is that hairy?
Listen, sir.
What is that? A monkey like you doesn't need a big old jug. My back is twisting. Ah! There you go, all set. The monkey likes bread and he likes water. Now I just need to go get the weapon to catch it with. All right, let's go explore. All right, I got the net. It's big enough to catch any monkey. In fact, a whole family of monkeys. Well, there's only one. Just gotta wait patiently now.
Oh,
Hey, who's some of that music? Can I download that soundtrack?
I sure like water and bread. I must go get it.
I'm not right here. Dun, dun.
Okay, I guess he's not there then. Let's go.
Hallelujah. Count a fun. It's unforgettable. Yeah! Got him. Nope. Stop moving. Got the monkey. Hey! Yeah. All right. Finally, I got my hands on a monkey. Now, what am I gonna do first? Am I gonna put it on the news and be famous? Or I could be the first person in Plushville to have a pet monkey. Or I can, oh my God, I can raise a whole army of imps and make World War III happen. Well, why do I want to do that? There's so many possibilities, but I think I will. Now, stay in there. Yeah, wait. Finishing touches. Now it's never gonna get out. Take that, Goofy! That's my monkey now. Well, I guess I can just keep that monkey. I hope the police never find out. I'll just sit here. Idiot. He's over there relaxing. I can steal the monkey while I still can. Hey, who's over there? You're mine now. Whoa! What's going on? No! And then World War III happened. The end.